In this guide, you will learn how to upgrade and manage your iCloud storage on iPhone. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is launch your settings, then click on your Apple ID given at the very top. Now scroll down and navigate to the option iCloud. Here you will see a storage bar showing how much space you are using and how much is still available. If you want more storage, click on the option upgrade. Now here you're going to find different subscription plan, 50 GB and 200 GB. Select the option of your choice and complete the process. If you prefer to free up space instead, you can manage your existing storage directly from the same screen. Head back. You can click on the option See All to see a detailed breakdown of how much space each app uses. Apps like Photos, Messages, Backups, and iCloud Drive often take up the most space. For example, you can tap iCloud Photos and use the Review Photos and Videos option to quickly delete large files you don't need. In Messages, you can remove old conversations or attachments like photos and videos to free up space. Under Backups, you can view devices backed up to iCloud and delete old backups or turn off backups for apps you don't need. Finally, in iCloud Drive, you can review files and documents in the Files app and delete anything unnecessary. Just remember that when you delete items in iCloud, they are removed from all synced devices, so make sure to back up anything important first. And that's it. With these steps, you can easily upgrade your storage or free up space so you can have room for more photos, videos, and documents. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.